Seagull. I suggest saving your time. Um, I bought this thinking it was a horror movie. She has a cleaver in her hand, creepy red words. It did wind up being more of a drama, and I love me a good drama. And it did actually keep me interested for a little bit, and then there was a point where it just started like never caught my attention. Never got it back. Fast forward, like the ending. So I feel like this movie could have been done well, but this one just. Mm-mm. And alright, guys, sending out positive vibes to all of you. The movie girl.